In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth an Affinity Photo. Start by opening Affinity Photo and loading the image you want to retouch. Once you're in your document, look over to the left side of the workspace for the main toolbar. You'll see a small three-dot icon there. Click it to open the Toolbar Customization panel. This panel lets you choose exactly which tools you want quick access to so you can set up your workspace. At the top of the customization window, use the search field and type Healing Brush Tool. When it appears in the list, click and drag the Healing Brush tool into your toolbar, placing it where it makes the most sense. Release to drop it in, then close the customization panel to get back to your canvas. Now select the Healing Brush tool from your toolbar. The Healing Brush is ideal for gentle smoothing because it blends color and tone while preserving texture, so skin still looks natural. Zoom into the area you want to improve, then adjust brush settings. Set the brush size just larger than the blemish, keep hardness on the softer side for seamless edges, and use a moderate flow so each pass builds gradually. Paint with short controlled strokes over blemishes, stray marks, or small uneven patches. The tool samples nearby pixels and blends them with surrounding detail so texture remains intact. If a stroke looks too strong or shifts color, undo, tweak the brush size or flow, and try again from a slightly different position. Work methodically, moving across the image a little at a time. Clean the most noticeable distractions first, then refine smaller areas. Zoom out periodically to check that everything still looks consistent and not overly processed. Avoid covering large regions in a single sweep. Several light passes will maintain a realistic finish. When you're done, deselect the tool and review your result. You should see smoother tones with authentic texture retained, ready for export or further edits.